Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and this is just a quick little video to show you how I make my chocolate fudge frosting. Chocolate fudge frosting is a sweet, melt-in-your-mouth frosting. Kind of reminds you when you were a kid and you would have the yellow cake with chocolate icing. So simple and so satisfying. If you're looking for a chocolate icing that's more rich, semi-sweet, or bittersweet, this is probably not the one you're looking for. You should search for chocolate ganache, which I'll probably make a video on eventually. This is a real crowd pleaser. Kids love it, and who are we kidding? Adults love it too. Okay, you're going to need 1 cup of cocoa powder, 2 pounds of confectioner's sugar, 2 sticks of room temperature butter, 3/4 of a cup of boiling water, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you can use a stand mixer like I do, or you can use a hand mixer. Either one will work with this recipe. Using boiling or very hot water is important because it causes the butter and sugar to melt together, which is what gives you that magical melt-in-your-mouth effect. Start by beating the 2 sticks of butter until fluffy. Add the cocoa powder and be aware this part can get a little messy. Pour in your 2 teaspoons of vanilla, then a little of the hot water. At this point, you'll start adding powdered sugar and water alternately. Keep in mind, you may not end up using all of the water, just add enough until it's a good spreading consistency, maybe similar to the consistency of peanut butter. Be sure to stop and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl before giving it the final mix. There will be melted butter that needs to be incorporated. There we go. That looks like a good spreading consistency to me. Like real fudge, this icing will become dry to the touch and form a type of crust on the outside. So if you're not going to spread it on your cake right away, you can store it in an airtight container or cover the bowl with a damp towel until you're ready to use it. The only hard part about this recipe is not eating all this frosting before you get it on the cake. It's so good. I'm applying this frosting to a yellow cake I prepared from a boxed mix. I always substitute whole milk for the water and add extra vanilla to make a boxed mix taste more homemade. It's amazing how far a simple boxed cake mix can be carried when you pair it with a homemade frosting recipe like this fudge. You're going to get rave reviews. People are going to think the whole thing's from scratch. They don't know how simple it really is. I hope you've enjoyed our time together today. Would you like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you try this recipe. Until next time, happy baking! I've been sharing my favorite cake recipes with you guys for quite some time now. I would love it if you would share your favorite cake recipes with me. Who knows, maybe one day I'll feature one on my channel, and of course I'll give a shout out to you in the video, but I'd also love to send a free gift, like maybe a beautiful apron, or some new pot holders, or maybe one of my favorite products, like a rubber spatula or a baker's joy. I'd love it if you would participate in this little contest. You can send your recipes to me at crystalthecakelady1@gmail.com, or you can leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for your support, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Crystal the Cake Lady. Until next time, happy baking!